Hi. Welcome to the Car View channel. Please subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thank you. Mercedes-Benz has worked on the current successors to E-Class and C-Class in the form of coupes and convertible for more than a year now. The German company wants to simplify the lineup and replace the two-door model with one new vehicle, now known as the CLE-Class. The addition of new Sporty to this lineup is expected to debut by the end of this year, but we have a new exclusive rendering to see the design preview. This digital image shows open-shaped open Mercedes that are positioned somewhere between C and E in terms of dimensions. This is a traditional convertible with a roof and space for 4 passengers sitting in a separate seat. It does look a little like the C-Class right now, but remember, we hope this new model is a little longer than the C-Class with 2 doors. Although we only spy on cabriolet clay so far, according to informal information, this new model will also be available as a coupe. The conversion described here, meanwhile, may also look very similar to the new Mercedes-AMG SL, although it will play a different role in the brand ranks. Also, CLE has a shorter hood because it will only use a 4-cylinder engine, even in the AMG version, like the new C63. SL Roadster has a version with a V8 engine under the hood. It might be difficult to know the exact length of the new CLE just by looking at this rendering, even though we have information that will be 190.15 inches, 4.83 meters, long, or almost the same as the current E-Class coupe. The CLE family at first will only consist of vehicles with 2 doors, although the successor to CLS is also under development and it can be a part of the ranks of this new vehicle. Nothing can be confirmed for now. The new CLE is expected to debut later this year and start sold in 2023 as convertible and coupe. Hoping to see the same engine range as the new C-Class, which means the topping C63 version will depend on an electric 2.0-liter engine.